Sir Hannah was still going with the coaches, but the coaches still kept grumbling at him. A disappointing too. He's just very rude. But Sir Hannah wouldn't listen. He just huffed off. He was loading up some cars at the wharf. It was about to let go when came along. Then there was trouble. The coaches pushed him on and on and on. Clang! Right off the tracks. Long and slow. It finally let go. Crates flew everywhere, landed all over Sir. He was feeling very silly. He was also very concerned about the freight cars as well. And Scarlowy came along. He was collecting the car when he saw Sir Hannah's air of a mess. Didn't know what to say. Then he decided to go get the breakfast. I'll be back. The next day was Christmas Eve. Soon, Thomas was on to work. He checked the cars and left it in the new station to be repaired. But secretly, he was still worried about the bad magic evil bumpers that was being mended. And Scarlowy was just leaving. He was ashamed of the coaches. I'm ashamed of you. What have hurt your passengers? The coaches. We're sorry, Scarlowy. They said they were both afraid. Thomas soon came to the magic bumpers. They were evil and dark. Thomas didn't like it at all. They were gloomy and gloomy. Thomas was startled. How was I supposed to do it? I don't know how to break the spell. Then, Thomas's driver told Thomas about how to fix the evil magic. The only way, he said, is to put magical gold special coal on it. Then it'll become even happier and more realistic. Thomas couldn't believe it. All he had to do was that. But where was he gonna get it? Then he remembered there was some at the quarry. Thomas went to get it. And Molly had her own special coal. It was very magical. She wanted to use it, but then Thomas came along, looking forward to the coal. Thomas bumpered up to the car. Oh! Whatever's happening? Thomas huffed up. He was being coupled up. Coach and the Molly was startled. He must have been using that to save the bumpers. Good idea, said Molly. Sometimes accidents do happen. Doctor was there. He was looking at the bumpers, feeling sorry, when he saw Thomas puffing in with the coal. He was surprised. It was supposed to be for Tootin and Molly, but then he realized it was for the bumpers as well. He started throwing coal at the bumpers. Suddenly, the bumpers swirled and swirled. They clanged and tangled. And then things started to happen. But at last, something changed. The bumpers' black was turning white and golden. At last, the bumpers were now golden. That was an great Thomas. It's amazing. He was uncoupled from the troublesome truck's clank, and he huffed in to get the other car. He disappeared into the golden bumpers. Now, a breakfast. A goods train had been stuck on the line. Diesel Ted was huffing with some cars of hay for Farmer Cole. But the trucks were crossing. Then the first one back stood up. Diesel Ted couldn't stop at Farmer Cole. Then in trouble, he went smash into the back of the train. Crash! He derailed. There's a fire bumping, said Diesel Ted. I'm stuck. And he was. The truck giggled and she goes, will Diesel Ted ever get back up? And will Thomas be back out of the buffer? We'll find out. To be continued.